Hey everybody, we're in Wolfe Non-Surgical in Stuart, Florida, and we're doing the spine today. So we're going to be in a teaching mode for myself as well as Deb. We're assistant teaching with some things today. So I'm going to be quizzing you guys too, because I know you've been paying attention and listening. So when we always start a treatment, what's the very first thing that we do?
Massage?
That's right. That is correct. So today we're talking first about where the origin is, which is in the sacrum area, and then the insertion is going to be in the occiput 1 or 2. However, we've been working the sacrum. We also have been working the upper back too, right? So most of us have a little bit of soreness down in the low back and a little bit of soreness up here. So today we're going to be focusing from the lumbar area up to about the thoracic one-ish. Okay. So that's where we're going to be focused today. So when we're going through, that's the first thing you want to do is look at your origin and your insertion, and then we want to look on where we're going to be treating. So the very first part on the spine that we're going to be treating is the rectus spinae muscles up the side. And we know that we always start what? What direction? Face to face, right? So it's the practitioner's face to their face. So it always starts out with the practitioner. So we're going to be going from here all the way up to the rectus spinae and all the way back down. And then what do we do?
Then we turn.
You got it? Go to the other side. And we're pulling what direction?
Toward you. Up.
Face
Yeah,
to feet.
face to feet, correct.
Yeah.
You got it. And we're going to go right back up and right back down, right?
On the same side.
On the same side, correct. And then on this side, we're going to start, we can start right here. So we're going to go from the bottom all the way up to the top, all the way back down. Then what are we going to do? You got it. Back around. Keep contact with your patient right here. And then what are we doing? Going straight up, straight down, right? So now we're back to face. So we pulled in all directions. Right?
Mhm.
Okay. So starting, going up the spine, we're going to be on the spiny process. That's right on the very top of each vertebrae. We're going to find it in the lumbar section down here, right? And remember, we're sore from yesterday, so you don't have to go down low to the sacrum. Normally, though, with a client, you would start there, okay? So I'm going to start here, and on each one, we're going to be going on the very top of it, and something called shaving. Is that correct? Yes, okay. So a pinpoint shaving technique. We are actually going to touch each and every vertebrae singularly right on top of it. We're going to go all the way up and all the way down. And then what happens next? You got it. Keep contact with your client. Whew. All right. All right, so we're going to go right back up and right back down, right on top. All right? We're going to change our direction first, going face, right, the practitioner's direction, face to side. And we're going to be working each individual vertebrae as we go up, okay? Starting again on the lumbar area. When you start on the far side, you're going to be extending your arm, right, in a more extension position so we can scoop up onto the side, which is called the transverse process. I think I got that right. Going to go to the other side of the vertebrae, and we're going to be pulling out and away from that vertebrae. We're going to use our hand, almost like a wedge. I like to keep my hand kind of with a finger on each side of the vertebrae. Sometimes Dr. Sage likes to see it more of a peak like that. So whatever you're comfortable with when you start. We go up to another vertebrae, over top to the other side. So from